G'day and welcome. In this video I am fitting a set of Whiteline Steering Rack Bushes to the BRZ. Details next. I'm Mark Louth from Black Dog Motorsport, and if you or someone you know has the black dog chasing them, there are some links in the description you may find useful. Righto, let's get into it. First off, jack the car, place it on stands and remove the underbody tray that covers the steering rack. Once that's done, remove the two bolts that attach the steering rack to the subframe and pull the rack down and to the rear of the car. Note, this car is a TS STI and the retaining bolts may be longer than those fitted to your car, and it also uses an electric steering rack. If your car does not, then the amount of movement you get when you undo the bolts may be different to what you see here. Next, install the puller tool. This tool is made by Cusco and can be purchased fairly easily. If you don't wish to spend the money on a tool you're only going to use once, you can make your own using a long socket instead, but to avoid mucking around I spent the 50 bucks on a puller tool. Once the puller is installed and the initial portion has been done up, it's just a matter of holding the bolt steady and doing up the outer nut until the bush is clear of the rack. Just in case that was a little hard to see, I made this mock-up using some bog roll, which shows the general arrangement of the tool when it is fitted into the bush and the rack assembly, and this is how it would look after the bush has been removed. And now for the install. This is simplicity itself. Both of the bush halves are installed by hand, as is the centre steel component. There are no tools or specialty tools of any kind required for this part of the install. When the bushes are in place, just put a little bit of lubrication on the bolt. This is purely for corrosion prevention. This is a static bush assembly and as such does not need lubricating itself. Push the rack back into position and install the mounting bolts, then reinstall the underbody covers and you're done. Now this is a cheap, straightforward mod which gives noticeable improvements to the handling of the vehicle. So why don't you check it out? Links in the description. Righto, that will do. As always, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, it is free, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.